Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about why do you need to consider becoming an influencer in 2023. Social media definitely have a huge power and potential for absolutely every person, whether you are an eco-activist, a fashion blogger, an architect, a doctor, accountant, just anyone. People with any experience and background can realize their potential and can earn money through social media. So if you're still thinking, is it worth it for you to start running social media in 2023 and invest your time and energy, I really hope that this video will convince you that it's definitely worth it. The first benefit of being an influencer right now and having your social media is because there is a rise of influencer marketing. Brands are definitely recognizing the power of influencer marketing, and they're reaching out to different influencers with engaged audience because they can easily reach their target audience. According to recent studies, influencer marketing is expected to reach new heights in 2023, with brands projected to spend billions of dollars on influencer partnerships. And this means that there will be even more opportunities for different influencers to collaborate with brands to promote products and services and get paid for their influence and for their content. Second tip, why do you need to start running social media right now, is because authenticity is valued more than ever before. In a modern world where technologies are rapidly advancing, human qualities, human identity, authenticity are still highly valued. Artificial intelligence is replacing so many professions, but I am sure that people authenticity still will be valued even right now in this fast-pacing environment. People are looking for real, relatable, genuine people who are sharing their unique content, and they just want to connect with other people. As an influencer, you have the ability to create content that reflects your own unique personality, your own unique values, your interests, and your perspectives to the world. And by being true to yourself, you can build even more loyal and engaged audience who resonates with your authenticity. It sounds just amazing, right? And third reason why do you need to consider of becoming an influencer in 2023 is because there is a huge diversity in terms of opportunities for monetization. Being an influencer and content creator is not just about sponsored posts. There are a lot of opportunities for influencers and content creators to monetize their content online, from brand partnerships and sponsored content and sponsored posts, to affiliate marketing, to merchandise sales, to even launching your own products, your own business or services, and combining this with your influence and with your personality. There are just a lot of ways to make money as an influencer. You can also sell your digital products, you can sell ebooks where you can share information that's valuable for your audience. And this diversity allows you to have multiple streams of income, and this can help you to build a sustainable business as an influencer. Fourth reason is about impact and influence. As a content creator and influencer, you have the power to make difference in the lives of your audience. Whether you are sharing valuable information, or maybe you are just providing entertainment or inspiring others with your stories, with your experience, with just any kind of information that you're sharing, you have the ability to positively impact and influence the lives of those who follow you. And I think this sounds amazing because you can literally change people's mindset by just sharing your own values, and you can easily do it by using social media. You can use any kind of platform to create meaningful change and make a lasting impact on your community. Fifth reason is about personal growth and development. Becoming an influencer is not just about building a large following and monetizing your content and creating content, but it's also an opportunity for personal growth. As you work to establish yourself as an influencer, you will need to develop a range of skills and knowledge that definitely can benefit you in all areas of your life and career. For example, content creation requires a lot of creativity, attention to detail, and practice, and the ability to communicate effectively And storytelling involves understanding your audience and crafting narratives that resonates with them. Marketing and branding require strategic thinking and the ability to identify trends and deep understanding of your own target audience. Sixth reason is one of the most important ones, I would say, is about flexibility and freedom. Of course, being an influencer often provides flexibility in terms of schedule and also freedom in terms of your own location. So you can decide where do you want to live, you can decide when do you want to work, to wake up, and this is just amazing because you can be your own boss. You have the ability to create content and engage with your audience on your own terms, allowing you to have control over your time and your lifestyle in general. This can be especially appealing in 2023 as remote work and online opportunities continue to increase, giving you the freedom to work from anywhere in the world and create work-life balance that suits you. And this point is definitely one of the most important ones for me, and that's why I decided to become an influencer and content creator, because I really like to work from home and I really like to have possibility to create my own working schedule. And I really don't like to wake up too early. I mean, I'm trying to because then I have much more time during the day, but I like to sleep until 9 usually. And if you're a person like me, you also can be your own boss and you can just wake up at 10 or 11 if you want to, and you can be more productive in the evenings. Then this is definitely a great option for you to become a content creator and to be a freelancer and just to work by your own. Seventh reason is about community. As an influencer, you have the opportunity to build a community of like-minded people, of like-minded individuals who share similar interests and passions, and this sense of community can be incredibly fulfilling as you connect with the different people who resonate with your content and form meaningful relationship with your audience. Building a community can also provide you with a support system, with inspiration and motivation as you continue to create and share your content online. You also can feel a lot of support and just share different ideas with each other. Number 8, why do you need to share content online and become an influencer? Is about creativity. Being an influencer allows you to tap into your creativity and express yourself in unique and innovative ways. If you're just a creative person, you can do whatever you want, and that's the point that I like about influencer marketing and just social media in general, because you can create engaging videos, you can write blog posts, you can design stunning visuals, you can develop campaigns, you have the freedom to explore and experiment with the visual language and with different creative things. In conclusion, I would like to say that becoming an influencer in 2023 can open up exciting opportunities for you to get paid for being yourself. The rise of influencer marketing, the value of authenticity, and the diverse opportunities for monetization are just some of the reasons why being an influencer can be a game changer for you. So if you're passionate about creating content or sharing your stories with other people or building a community, why not consider taking the leap and becoming an influencer in 2023? That's the conclusion for today's video. If you enjoyed this content and if you want to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments below if you are considering or becoming a content creator or influencer, so I will know my audience a little bit better. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next videos, and don't forget to follow my Instagram account. I share there more of lifestyle and inspiring content. Bye, see you in the next videos.